Hey guys, welcome to Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will talk about your iPhone lock screen wallpaper are blurred automatically after iOS 17 update. Yes guys, there's a new update or a new feature in iOS 17 where whenever you try to set a new wallpaper and that time if you try to crop or adjust a wallpaper, that time a new feature or iOS 17 feature will automatically try to match or adjust with your iPhone lock screen, okay, by blurring the top side of the wallpaper or a image. So it will match your iPhone lock screen or a background, but sometimes it might look good, but many times it doesn't look good because blurring out the faces or the good part of the image, okay, ruins or destroys your wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen. So now how to fix this or wallpaper blurring on your iPhone after iOS 17 update? For that, a very easy process, very easy method. Let's start the video here. Okay, so guys, first of all, if you're new here, then please subscribe because I make videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution, and they are really helpful. Okay, so now getting back to the video. So the first step, open your Photos application and locate the photo which you want to set as a wallpaper. So here, once the photo is open, now go ahead, tap on edit. Okay, from edit, now there are many options, right? At the bottom tab, there is an icon of a cropping. Go ahead, tap on crop. Now once you tap on the cropping option, now the next step, at the top side, right side, you will see one icon next to the pencil icon. Just go ahead and tap on that icon. So basically this icon is regarding your aspect ratio for your photos. At the bottom side, you will see a multiple sizes, right? Out of that, one will be your option called wallpaper. Just go ahead and tap on wallpaper. So here automatically your screen size or photo size will be cropped to a iPhone wallpaper. And now here go ahead and adjust your photo like you want to be on a wallpaper. Okay, zoom it, zoom out, okay, move as per your choice, do it and set up as a wallpaper and click on done. Once you do that, your earlier photo will be saved as a new one with a new aspect ratio or a new size. So now go ahead, tap on share icon and here set as wallpaper. So here now don't do anything, automatically it will be set as a wallpaper on your iPhone without blurring the top side, because here you already cropped the photo as per your wallpaper size. So there will be no blurring as per this cropping. So like that you can avoid blurring wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 17. So guys, I hope this fixed your issue. I hope this solved your issue, and if yes, then please give a like, please subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. So guys, until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.